It's telling me to pay more tax. I work so hard. I don't have money to pay more tax. It's unfortunate that employees pay the most tax in Canada. Sure, you can claim for child benefits, education credit, but there aren't a lot of tax deductions available for employees. In fact, in 2017, the Canadian government even eliminated the public transit credit, which means you can no longer write off these type of expenses. My name is Sandy Gum, and in this episode of Real Money, Real Talk, I'm going to talk about the ways that you can claim for tax deductions. There are a lot of tax advantage being a business owner in Canada. And the reason why the government does that is because offering these incentives will help small business survive, grow their company, grow their business, and in return, they will able to offer more job opportunities for Canadians. So having a side business in addition to your employment will be able to give you the tax deduction that you could not claim before as just a solely employee. Now you're able to claim some business expenses such as cell phones, such as travel, entertainment, car expense, or even meals. These one becomes tax deductible, which you couldn't claim before as just employee. This is the reason why I think all employees should have a side business so that allow them to write off more expenses to save more tax and keep more money in the pocket. But you may ask me, Sandy, what kind of business can I do? I don't know anything about business, right? You can pick a services that you truly love or selling certain items that you like. For example, one of my clients who work for a company also has a side business that he teaches scuba diving during summertime. But then you may ask me like, Sandy, I really don't have any skill set. I've been working as an employee for my entire life. I don't know these things. Do I need to learn new skill sets or things like that? In fact, you don't. There's nothing wrong to leverage network marketing that maybe you are interested in, or maybe you are passionate about their products. You can leverage their systems, and in that way, you'll be actually having a status as a self-employed. Now you're able to claim for these deductions as business. The most important tips to remember for having a side business is to ensure that you're not putting a lot of investment up front. Otherwise, you're actually putting more money than trying to claim more tax return. So let's say for these type of skill sets that you already know, you're offering those one, typically you wouldn't need to require a lot of additional cost to it. Let's say if you do jewelry sales, right? You just only buy some goods, buy a little small quantity, and then you sell it to the people who love your artwork. Now, if you do network marketing, I do recommend to maybe review the company and typically find the one that does not have annual fee or any monthly purchase requirements. These are the ones that maybe you can look into it. I hope you enjoyed this video that gives you a little bit nuggets about having a side business on top of your employment that will allow you to write off more expenses that you couldn't write off before. And in my next episode of the videos, I will talk more about how you stack on these rebates, cashback, and deductions to even further maximize the benefits having a side business.